So now, if I was to yank out my computer chair and I wanted to invoke its display method, maybe I had code like this. Let's say so this is our inventory right here. Let's say I had code like this. I had item I1. Wow, that's not what I wanted to do. Let's call it, I don't know, let's call it item. Item equals inventory at index 2. And then I said item dot display.
You've got a syntax error.
There. Okay, so what we're doing here is we're saying item equals inventory at item or at the third index. So we're yanking out the computer chair. So this item is going to be set to this object. This object right here gets referenced by this variable because we're assigning it to the third item in the inventory.